Garrett Maxon. I'm the Vice President of Operations. We first engaged with Koh Young back in the 2017 timeframe. We evaluated a number of different equipment manufacturers, actually had a couple of competitors place equipment in the shop, and ultimately we decided to move forward with Koh Young.
I'm Steve Bell. I'm the Director of Quality here at ACDi. AOI and SPI are critically important parts of our quality control program here at ACDi. With part sizes getting smaller and smaller all the time and part densities going up all the time, we have to rely more and more on automated inspection. And the Koh Young equipment is a critical part of us making sure that the product quality as built is what it was as designed.
It wasn't close. It was a pretty clear-cut decision for us. And from there, the support, the training, the relationships just grown since then, and fortunate enough early this year to invest in 5 additional machines. Fortunate we were the 23,000th machine for them. You can buy the best machine in the world. If the operators can't run it, you're not going to get the full benefit from it. So I think that's something that Koh Young has excelled at. Between on-site installation training, we've sent numerous personnel down to their facility to receive factory training. We bring them in for supplemental training. Our manufacturing engineers are in constant communication with their field apps engineers.
My name's Dennis. I'm a junior manufacturing engineer at ACDi. I take care of the programming of the SPIs and AOI machines. With Koh Young's automated programming, it helps to speed up the process for caps and resistors, and also just using the Easy Part Mounter software, it simplifies the programming portion of it.
The training piece has really been a huge benefit with our Koh Young relationship, and now that we're 10 machines across 3 locations, we're a data-driven organization, and the K-Smart platform, being able to review that the analytics, statistical process control data out of the machines across the company really has moved us forward as an organization, as a quality-driven, data-driven organization.
The earlier you can catch a problem, the better. So when the guys get the SPI report and they see a little problem here or there, they can adjust it before we're actually populating any parts, and that's the best time to catch it.
The Koh Youngs have the offline review, the offline programming that you can perform. The fact that we've standardized Koh Young as a platform inspection equipment provider across all of our locations provides additional collaboration opportunities. We can flex production capacity easier, move products between facilities, and our engineering teams can work together and talk through challenges they've seen with inspecting boards or different packages. It really has moved us forward.
Anecdotally from the guys on the shop floor that things are only getting better, and we haven't even fully probably utilized all the capabilities of the equipment yet. We have to make sure that we keep almost all of our records for build, from the BOM to the work orders and everything else, for 10 years. And if there is a problem, it's nice to be able to have pictures that we got off the AOI machine and show that the part was populated, because sometimes a part gets knocked off when they're going through the processes at the customer's facility, and they say, well, R15's missing. But with the Koh Young equipment, we can go back and we can show the picture that R15 was there, the solder joints looked really good, and it was probably just knocked off at a later time.
They are constantly improving their products, and we've seen that in just the 6 years we've been engaged with them as a partner. The strides they've made both in the solder paste inspection, the automated optical inspection, the reinvestment they're making in the R&D space tells us that it's a partnership that, as the industry evolves, our partners are evolving with it, which in this space, if you're not constantly reinvesting, growing with the technology, you're going to get left behind. And ACDi and Koh Young are kind of on the leading edge of that.